Ever wondered about the bustling world of finance and how stocks are traded? Today, we're demystifying the stock exchange. The stock exchange is the heart of global capitalism, a vital engine for economic growth and investment. Simply put, a stock exchange is a marketplace where securities, like stocks, are bought and sold. It's an organized, regulated environment. A stock or share represents partial ownership in a publicly traded company. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that business. Several key players ensure the stock exchange functions efficiently. Let's look at who they are. Investors are the backbone, the individuals and institutions looking to buy shares for profit or sell existing holdings. Brokers act as intermediaries, executing trades on behalf of investors. Dealers, on the other hand, trade for their own account. Listed companies are those whose shares are publicly available on the exchange, using the market to raise capital for growth. The actual buying and selling follows a precise, regulated process to maintain order and fairness. An investor decides to buy or sell a specific number of shares, placing an order through their broker with instructions on price limits. The exchange's electronic system, or specialized brokers, matches buy orders with sell orders, completing the transaction almost instantly. The bid is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay, and the ask is the lowest price a seller will accept. The difference is the spread. Integrity is crucial. Stock exchanges implement strict rules to protect investors and maintain market confidence. Government bodies and exchange regulators, such as the SEC in the U.S., oversee operations to prevent fraud and ensure compliance. The exchange facilitates price discovery, where the true value of a stock is determined by the collective actions of all buyers and sellers in real time. All trade information is made public. The stock exchange is more than just a place to trade. It's a sophisticated ecosystem underpinning the financial world. It connects capital seekers, the companies, with capital providers, the investors, through a secure and transparent trading platform. By mobilizing savings and allocating capital, stock exchanges fuel innovation, job creation, and economic prosperity worldwide. Thank you for watching.